How to download Minecraft for free directly from the Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how you can download Minecraft from the Play Store. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the Play Store. In the search bar, type Minecraft. You will see two options appear. One is the paid Minecraft app and other is Minecraft trial. Tap on the trial one. It's the official free version released by Mojang and Microsoft. Then hit the install button and wait for the download to complete. Once it's installed, open the game and you can start playing Minecraft for free. This trial lets you play in survival mode for around 90 minutes, giving you a full taste of the game before you decide to buy it. If you enjoy the game and want unlimited playtime, you can upgrade to the full version of Minecraft directly from the Play Store. It's a one-time purchase and gives you full access to worlds, skins, and multiplayer features. If you are on laptop or PC, you can also try Minecraft Classic, a complete free version available in your browser. It's the old school creative mode and doesn't require any installation at all. So avoid downloading it from random websites or free APK links. Those are unsafe and can harm your device and may even steal your data. Always download from official Play Store on minecraft.net. And that's it. That's how you can download it from Play Store. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.